So today our topic to set the transition and animation in a PowerPoint. First open PowerPoint. Then write the topic name. Algorithm and flowchart. Flowchart presented by name. Then select another slides for write the define the algorithm and flowchart. Another slide means suppose this slide. Now next the algorithm. An algorithm is a set of instructions for solving a problem or accomplishes tasks. Same as the next slide. For next slide, इसका example भी example is a set step 1. Suppose add two numbers A and B. Then write the algorithm. Step 1, start the program. Step 2, input TW2 values A, B. Step 3, sum two values bracket में sum equals to A plus B. Step 3, step 4, display the sum. Step 5, stop the program. So this is the steps to write the algorithm. So algorithm means an algorithm is a set of instructions for solving a problem or accomplishing a task. Start the program. Example, add two numbers using variable, using A and B variables. So add two numbers using A and B variables. Step 1, start the program. Step 2, input two values A and B. Sum two values, sum A and B. Display the sum and stop the program. Now write a flowchart. FLOWCHART. Flowchart is a graphical graphical representation of an algorithm. Example, when you give the example flowchart, then use the different shapes, because we know that the flowchart have the different shapes like start, stop, input, output, then processing box, diamond box, connector, then flow lines, etc. So when you give the example in flowchart, then draw the shapes. So first click on insert tab, then go to the shapes option, then click this option. Now write down the start, start, start. Then use the flow lines. Yes, this is the flow lines. After that, take the input values. When you use the input values, then this sign or these steps were used. Now input TW2 values A comma B. Then next, processing box, rectangular box used for to process the data, like sum equals to A plus B. Then give the output box, that is the same box, output box, and the stop value. Stop the program. So this is the example of the flowchart. The flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. So algorithm and flowchart completed. Now we can define the different shapes in algorithm or flowchart. Different shapes in flowchart means start and stop, then input and output, then sum, input, then processing box and decision box, etc. So now insert the blank slide and or title only. Then write down the flowchart symbols. FLOWCHARTS flowchart symbols, SYMBOLS symbols. Now next, first symbols is start and stop box. So first go to the insert tab, then click the insert, then click the shapes option. After that select the oval type. Yes, this is a start and stop. Start and stop box. After that, processing box, the rectangular box. You can choose another color for define. Then parallelogram for input and output box. Input, apply, output box. Now next, flow lines. There are so many flow lines, four flow lines, sorry, the four flow lines: up, then left, and then right, yes, flow lines, up, down, left, right, flow lines. After that, now decision box. Decision box, insert shapes. Yes, decision box. Now next, the last box, insert, then thank you, thanking you, thanking you. If you want to change the text layout or text formatting, then select the text, then click the different shapes. Okay, after inserting the slide, you can set the different placeholder color. Na? So different placeholder color means, first select the placeholder where you want to set the color, then go to the quick styles under the drawing tools, and then you can choose the different shapes, same as algorithm, different shapes. Yes, same. Now to set the now to set the design tab used for to change the theme of a slide. एक स्लाइड का डिजाइन चेंज करने के लिए, मतलब थीम चेंज करने के लिए यूज होता है तुम्हारा, और बैकग्राउंड चेंज करने के लिए यूज होता है तुम्हारा थीम डिजाइन. So design tabs basically used for to change the theme of a slide. So suppose this slide, yes, so all the slides the same themes. Why? Because I clicked the themes. If you want to change the theme another style, then first select the slide, then select the go to the design tab. After that, select any one theme and right click, then apply to selected slide. Apply to selected slide. Okay, same this slide. Right click, apply to selected slide, same as right click, apply to selected slide. Yes, right click, apply to selected slide. Now next, same, right click, apply to selected slide. Okay, so slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, slide 5. There are total 5 many slides, but now we can set the transition. So how to set the transition? First select the slide, then go to the transition tab, then click the slide option like this curtains. Yes, this is a one style, this is a one transition style. So now next, same slide. Yes, after that this slide. Okay, go to the next. Yes, okay, now next. But when you set the transition, then must be set the timing set. But why? Because when you set the transition, then click the select any one transition. After that, uncheck the on mouse click. Why you uncheck the on mouse click? Because your presentation automatically run and automatically change the one slide to another. So this is the require for the go to the next slide automatically. So uncheck the on mouse click and set the time as per your requirements. Now next, select second slide, uncheck the on mouse click option, then yes, after that same process, now uncheck the on mouse click, then set. Now next, uncheck the on mouse click, then next. Yes, after that set the uncheck and click. So to set the slide transition, okay. Now how to set the sound, how to set sounds in a slide. First select slide, then go to the transition tab, then click the slide sound example. Now next step as the drum, suppose coin, after then drum, drum roll, then different sound you can set, and you can say the movie yeah, audio also. But when you insert the audio or video in a slide, then I will make a new video for you to set the audio and video in a slide. बाद में और भी वीडियो अपलोड कर देंगे, उसमें ऑडियो एंड वीडियो इंसर्टिंग के लिए जो रूल्स है उसमें दिखाएंगे. नाउ